Hi there, James here from Haswings. Winter is a beautiful season for travel, whether you're visiting snowy mountains, charming cities, or family for the holidays. But as lovely as winter can be, traveling during this season comes with its own set of challenges. Today, I'll be sharing some practical tips to help you stay safe and prepared on your winter adventures. Winter weather can be unpredictable, so it's important to stay informed. Check the weather conditions for your destination and along your travel route. Apps and websites can provide live updates, helping you avoid storms or icy roads. If the forecast looks too risky, it might be a good idea to delay your trip until conditions improve. Safety first. When packing, always think ahead. Layering clothes is key to staying warm. Pack thermal base layers, a waterproof jacket, and insulated gloves. Don't forget essentials like a hat, scarf, and good quality socks. If you're driving, make sure your car kit includes an ice scraper, extra blankets, a flashlight, and a phone charger. Being prepared can make all the difference if you face delays or unexpected situations. Speaking of driving, your vehicle needs to be winter ready too. Make sure your tyres are suitable for icy or snowy conditions and that your windshield wipers are in good shape. Top up your antifreeze and keep your gas tank at least half full to avoid freezing in low temperatures. Before you set off, clear any snow or ice from your windows and mirrors. It's not just safer, but also required in many areas. In winter, it's wise to build in extra time for your journey. Icy roads, slower traffic, and unexpected delays are all common this time of year. Rushing can lead to mistakes, so give yourself plenty of time to arrive safely. Remember, arriving a little late is better than not arriving at all. Before heading out, let someone know your travel plans, especially if you're driving long distances or through rural areas. Share your route and estimated arrival time so that someone can check in if needed. Also, make sure your phone is fully charged and consider carrying a portable charger as backup. Cold weather can pose health risks, particularly frostbite and hypothermia. If you'll be outdoors for long periods, cover exposed skin and take regular breaks in a warm space. Stay hydrated too. Cold air can be surprisingly dehydrating. If you're flying, pack hand sanitizer and tissues to help protect against colds and flu, which are more common in winter. No one wants to think about travel plans going wrong, but winter can throw unexpected surprises your way. Travel insurance can help cover cancellations or emergencies, so it's worth considering before you leave. Also, have a basic emergency plan. Know the phone numbers for assistance and local services at your destination. If you're flying, keep an eye on your flight status in case of delays or cancellations. Arrive at the airport early, as winter weather can lead to longer security lines and boarding times. Pack a few essentials in your carry-on, like snacks, water, and a warm layer in case of delays at the gate. Finally, winter travel can sometimes test our patience. Whether it's a delayed flight or an icy road, staying calm and flexible can make the experience less stressful. Have a backup plan in mind and try to enjoy the journey, even if things don't go exactly as planned. And there you have it, some simple, practical tips to help you stay safe and prepared during winter travel. With a little extra planning, you can enjoy the beauty of the season without unnecessary stress. If you found these tips helpful, Be sure to like and subscribe for more travel advice. Thanks for watching, and safe travels from all of us at Haswings.